More on news from Nepal. At a time when Nepal is witnessing record rise in its daily COVID-19 cases, neighboring India has yet again extended help of ICU ventilators to the Himalayan nation. This comes as hospitals in Nepal are facing shortage of beds and other necessary equipments while tackling the pandemic.
As Nepal continues to report spike in COVID-19 cases, neighboring India has extended a help of 28 ICU ventilators to the Himalayan nation to support its fight against the deadly virus. This comes as hospitals in Nepal were forced to turn patients away for want of beds and necessary equipments. Even authorities earlier advised people to visit hospitals only if their condition worsens. The ventilators were handed over by Indian Ambassador Vinay M. Quatra to Nepal's Health Minister Bhanubhakt Dhakal on Sunday. India had earlier also donated ventilators, COVID-19 test kits and medicines to the Nepali government to help in its efforts to control the infection. Nepal as of Monday morning reported 194,453 cases of COVID-19 and over 1,100 deaths related to it.